Hello guys, today we'll be continuing with JavaScript operators. Last time we ended at equality operators. Now today we'll be looking what is the difference between triple equal and double equal. So let's get right into it. Okay, so what is the difference between equal and equal? Now equal will compare the value of the two variables and the type of the two variables. So like if you have a string, if you have a float. Equal we'll just compare the values of the two variables. So for instance, let's say we have a float that says 1 and we have a number that says 1. If we have equal, okay, so if you have equal, that means the answer will be false because 1 is a float, 1 is a number. Okay, so we have a string and we're doing equal, and we have a number, and if we save it, the answer is false. Now let's put equal on it and let's see what's the difference. Now as you can see, the answer is true because the string has the value of 1 in it, so does the number. Okay, so if you are from any other background, you already know what ternary operator does, but if you're new, let's go right into it. So what is a ternary operator? So basically, it's a really quick way to create an if and else statement and assign it to a variable. Now this is a real ternary operator. Let's see what's going on in the syntax. X is a variable. We're trying to assign some value in it. So either the value true will go in there or the value false will go in there. And who decides that? Well, that's decided by this condition. Okay, so let me read this for you. If the value of this syntax is true, it gets this value. If it's false, it gets this value. Okay, one final time. After the condition is a question mark, and after and in between the true value and the false value is a full colon. So let's see what we'll get. Okay, so let's print it on the console. Since 1 is always going to be smaller than 2, that means x will get the false value. And as you guys can see, false value is 2. So we should get number 2 for x. And as you can see, x's value is 2. So we've covered ternary operator. So the last topic for today is logical operator. Again, like if you have any other background in programming, you probably know what we're doing. If not, let's go right into it. Okay, so there are 3 logical operators in JavaScript: and, or, and not. There comes a time in your programming career where when you create logical decisions. These conditions are more complex. They're more than just if and else. And we make these types of decisions in our daily life every day. For instance, if both of the kids wants to go to a safari, we're going to a safari. So we just executed an AND logical operator. For instance, when we're shopping, we're gonna say, I'm gonna either get a Samsung phone or an LG phone. Did you notice that we're using an OR operator over here? If you say that I'm getting this coat and you put a not behind it, it will make it the opposite. Okay, now let's continue with the JavaScript implementations of these operators. Okay, so when both sides of the AND operator is true, that's the only time that it will be true. In JavaScript, AND operator is denoted by 2 ampersand signs. So let's save it and see what the result is. Okay, so as you can see, the answer is true. So now let's just give an example by putting false over here. See what happens. As you can see, the answer is false. For and, the operator, the syntax was ampersand. For or, it will be pipe, 2 straight lines. And for not, it will be exclamation mark. So
what is OR?
Okay, so OR operator is if either one is true, it will be true, or both. Either ways, the only way it will be false is if both of them are false. Okay, so let's make both false and see the result. As you can see, the answer is false. Finally, I'm gonna put a not anywhere, which will make the opposite of the value. Wait, let me just keep pressing control. Okay, so the answer is true. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see ya.